Hello, my friends. As we know, English has been the most popular language in the world,
Yes, sir.
and English grammar is very much required to speak and write correct English.
Yes, sir.
So, as a reference, we are taking one of the best books, Essential Grammar in Use, published by Cambridge University Press UK. This book is designed for children and elementary students of English to enable them to understand the basic grammar topics. Today I am going to start unit number 30 and teach you how to use can and could in our day-to-day life. For example, I can play the piano. So, you should listen and watch this video carefully. Okay, well, let us get started now. Unit number 30. Can and could. Section A. I can play the piano. He can play the piano. Could you open the door, please? Can plus infinitive, can do, can play, can come, etc. I can do, I can play, I can see, I can come. We can do, we can play, we can see, we can come. You can do, you can play, you can see, you can come. They can do, they can play, they can see, they can come. He can't do, he can't play, he can't see, he can't come. She can't do, she can't play, she can't see, she can't come. It can't do, it can't play, it can't see, it can't come. Can I do? Can I play? Can I see? Can I come? Can we do? Can we play? Can we see? Can we come? Can you do? Can you play? Can you see? Can you come? Can they do? Can they play? Can they see? Can they come? Can he do? Can he play? Can he see? Can he come? Can she do? Can she play? Can she see? Can she come? Can it do? Can it play? Can it see? Can it come? Etc. Section B. I can do something. It means I know how to do it, or it is possible for me to do it. I can play the piano. My brother can play the piano too. Sarah can speak Italian, but she can't speak Spanish. A. Can you swim? B. Yes, but I am not a very good swimmer. A. Can you change 20 pounds? B. I am sorry, I can't. I am having a party next week, but Paul and Rachel can't come. Section C. For the past, yesterday, last week, etc. we use could or could not. When I was young, I could run very fast. Before Maria came to Britain, she couldn't understand much English. Now she can understand everything. I was tired last night, but I couldn't sleep. I had a party last week, but Paul and Rachel couldn't come. Section D. Can you? Could you? Can I? Could I? We use can you or could you when we ask people to do things. Can you open the door, please? Or could you open the door please? Can you wait a moment please? Or could you wait a moment please? We use can I have or can I get to ask for something. Can I have a glass of water please? Or can I get a glass of water please? Can I or could I? Is it okay to do something? Can I sit here? Tom, could I borrow your umbrella? Now it's time for exercises. 30.1. Ask Steve if he can do these things. Number 1. Can you swim? Number 2. Can you sky? Number 3. Can you play chess? Number 4. Can you run 10 kilometers? Number 5. Can you drive a car? Number 6. Can you ride a horse? Number 7. I can swim or I can't swim. Number 8. I can sky or I can't sky. Number 9. I can play chess or I can't play chess. Number 10. I can run 10 kilometers or I can't run 10 kilometers. Number 11. I can drive a car or I can't drive a car. Number 12. I can ride a horse or I can't ride a horse. 30.2. Complete these sentences. Use can or can't plus one of these verbs. Come, find, hear, see, speak. Number 1. I am sorry, but we can't come to your party next Saturday. Number 2. I like this hotel room. You can see the mountains from the window. Number 3. You are speaking very quietly. I can't hear you. Number 4. Have you seen my bag? I can't find it. Number 5. Catherine got the job because she can speak 5 languages. 30.3. Complete these sentences. Use can't or couldn't plus one of these verbs. Decide, eat, find, go, sleep. Number 1. I was tired, but I couldn't sleep. Number 2. I wasn't hungry yesterday. I couldn't eat my dinner. Number 3. Kate doesn't know what to do. She can't decide. Number 4. I wanted to speak to Mark yesterday, but I couldn't find him. Number 5. James cannot go to the concert next Saturday. He has to work. Number 6. Paula couldn't go to the meeting last week. She was ill. 30.4. What do you say in this situation? Use can or could. Number 1. Could you open the door please? Number 2. Can or could you pass the salt please? Number 3. Can or could I have these postcards please? Number 4. Can or could you turn off the radio please? Number 5. Can or could I borrow your newspaper please? Number 6. Can or could I use your pen please? Now, this is the end of unit number 30. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. I appreciate it. Good luck and happy learning. I'll see you in my next video, unit number 31. Till then, bye bye.